Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to estimate and build a bill of quantities, BOQ, from scratch using my own estimating software, QUANTIZ. It's easy, simple, and straightforward to work with. Forget Excel, paper, and hard copy drawings. All you'll need is your PDF plans, a laptop or PC, and an internet connection. When you open the application, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, where you can see the complete cost breakdown structure of your project. In the upper right corner, you'll find a summary of the cost per division. Each division is broken down into 5 color-coded categories: blue, green, purple, orange, pink. In the center panel, you'll see the total value of all costs per category, summed across every division: material, labor, equipment, subcontract, and indirect. This gives you a clear breakdown of your budget and instantly tells you where your project stands financially. At the bottom panel, you'll find the total markup applied while building your rates. One glance at that corner and you'll know exactly what your markup is. Isn't it amazing? Just by looking at your dashboard, you can already tell the full story of your project. But it doesn't stop there. Every number you see on the dashboard isn't just for display. It's generated through the buttons in the left and top panels, all structured with a purpose. Let me walk you through it. First, let's look at the portals. You'll notice the following tabs: BUR, BOM, Quantities, Budget Alias, Budget, and Report. Here's something you might not expect. You won't actually need to click into every single one of them. They're mainly there for reporting purposes, a clear, organized way to present your data. I know that might come as a surprise, but it'll make more sense as I walk you through each one. We also have a built-in database, a place where you enter your material costs, labor rates, and equipment rental fees for easy reference. Why is this important? Simple. Instead of trying to remember these numbers every time you need them and risking inconsistent figures when you forget, you can just pull them from the database. When entering a rate, you simply select it from the linked database instead of typing it from memory. That's the value of having this system in place. Your rates are accurate, consistent, and ready whenever you need them. I've also added expiry dates to track when each entry was last updated, so you can always be sure you're working with the correct, most current numbers. That covers how the dashboard works and functions. I know this explanation ran a little longer than expected, so thank you for staying with me and for your time today. I really appreciate it. Since the next topic is a bit more in-depth, we'll continue it in part 2. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.